Hello, I'm Bob Swope. I'm the Vice President of Sales with Alarm Lock. We're going to talk about today is some of the specialty product models or solutions that Alarm Lock offers. As you can see by this shot here, Alarm Lock offers a variety of applications and solutions. One of the things that we have tried to do since 1994 is really develop a line of products that you can walk into any facility and have a Trilogy product access control system on really any door. And a couple of the models that you'll notice here today is the narrow style. The narrow style allows us to add a standalone access control system to any office suite or strip center door. And what that allows us to do is have that security or that access control system on that type of opening. One of the other things that we developed, and we developed this for the airports, is for the jet bridge doors, is the double-sided application. What we've really done is we've added a keypad and procs on both sides of the door, and it's actually available in keypad only and also keypad and procs as you see here. But the functionality of this product is that we can put this on an airport jet bridge door, and it requires either a code and or a card to come up from the tarmac or from the jet bridge itself down to the tarmac, so it provides security both ways. But there's other functionalities with this as well, and it's become very popular on perimeter fences. Think of HOAs and pool gates, where you want the ability to protect and restrict access from coming from one side of the door or the other side. The other product that we developed here is we call it the Privacy Lock. And the Privacy Lock is available in a cylindrical format. It's also available in a mortise format. And what makes this product very unique is we use a code, and we also have HID procs models available, but we use a code or a card to get in. And once we come into the unit itself, say a staff restroom or a sleeping room in a hospital for the doctors and nurses, we actually push this button here. And when we do that, it deactivates the keypad, so that someone else can't come in while we're using the facility. So you can think of that as a single stall staff restroom. You can think of it as a staff restroom maybe in a public area. And the two applications really that we developed it for would be for hospitals, but also for schools. With schools, you can put it on the faculty bathrooms, and they're typically single occupancy restrooms. And what's happening is the teachers are using a key to get in. But if you have 6 or 8 faculty bathrooms and you have 200 schools, you're cutting a tremendous amount of keys every single year. So by putting this on that faculty bathroom, you eliminate the need for keys, you provide security so that the students can't get in there, and you provide privacy. In a hospital environment, they're going to use these in the sleeping rooms, the on-call rooms. And virtually every hospital will have anywhere from 6 to 8 or 10 of these sleeping rooms for the doctors and nurses, so that when they're on call and they need the ability to get some rest or sleep, they're able to come in here, enter a code, press the button. Now the way the functionality of the product works, once we hit the button, there's an LED that flashes on the inside that gives you a visual, and there's an LED on the outside also letting you know, and there's signage. The signage says when light is flashing, room is occupied. On the inside basically says push button for privacy. The simple act of exiting the restroom reactivates the keypad for the next person to come in and use the facility. So you can think of this as a product that is multifunction. In fact, we also use this in a classroom environment for a lockdown. So what the lockdown does is that if we get that code red, code blue intruder alert, what we're able to do is simply walk into, or we're inside the classroom without opening the door, press the button, and it activates the privacy function. Once we get the all clear sign, we can simply exit the classroom and it reactivates the keypad for normal use. One of the other products that we've created is we've eliminated the need for the keypad, and we've put in simply an HID reader only. And what this does is it eliminates the kids from playing with the buttons, and it requires a prox card presentation only. And this has become a very popular product for schools. And then the other function that we have is our mortise lock. So basically what Alarm Lock's done is we've created a line of products that allow to have a solution of a standalone access control product on any door, or we like to say any door and every door.